This is Jerry Kanji from Banks, Oregon, and I had LeafFilter install my guard for the gutters. The man that came out looked at all the gutters that I have, gave me an excellent quote, went through all the details as far as payments and so forth. They scheduled it, and the gentleman showed up on time, and they were very efficient, very fast, and showed me pictures before and after. They got on the roof, took pictures before the gutters were installed, or the filters, and then afterwards. I couldn't be happier with what they did because they cleaned up after themselves. The teamwork between the three men that were here was excellent. That's how they were able to get it done in a timely manner. If you're thinking about getting gutter guards, get LeafFilter, because these guys are top of the line. The technology involved in the LeafFilter itself is amazing. So you need to look into that as well.